This is my favorite math trick. I have two people come up, and they each think of a double-digit number and write them on lines 1 and 2. So let's say they chose the numbers 18 and 54. Now what they're going to do next is they're going to produce 8 more numbers, and how they're going to do that is they're going to add in a Fibonacci-like sequence. And what I mean by this is that they're going to add the previous two terms to get the next term. So for example, 18 plus 54 is 72. 54 plus 72 is 126, and so forth. And they can use a calculator if they want to. And when they're done, it's going to look like this. Now, here's where the trick comes in. In a room full of people, I tell everyone to get out their calculators to race me. What they're going to do is they're going to add all 10 of these numbers up, and I tell them that I bet that I can do it faster than any of them can without using a calculator. For example, I can tell you that the sum of these 10 numbers is 5,742. Now, how did I calculate the sum so quickly? Well, let's go back to the beginning and let's generalize. I didn't know what two numbers the people were going to write, so let's call them A and B. Then we add the previous two terms to get the next term. So A plus B is A plus B, B plus A plus B is A plus 2B, and so forth. And then we added all 10 of these numbers, and when we add all of these A's and B's together, we get 55A plus 88B, which is exactly 11 times the 7th term. So all I needed to do was multiply the 7th term by 11 to get the sum. Now, if you don't know the trick for multiplying by 11, all we do is go right to left and add adjacent digits. So with 522 times 11, it ends in a 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, starts with a 5. And we can see why this works when we do the standard algorithm. Multiplying by 11 is the same thing as multiplying by 1 plus multiplying by 10. So there you have it, my favorite math trick and why it works.